Now to this, California State Treasurer announcing today the next steps in the development of a public bank to serve the cannabis industry in California. The multi-billion-dollar cannabis industry has continued to grow following pot legalization here in the Golden State.
Yet cannabis businesses say they've been shut out of the private banking industry, creating a danger for both them and their customers. So what do businesses do now, and how would a public bank work? CBS 13's Kelly Ryan is live at the State Treasurer's office getting answers.
Cannabis businesses tell me they welcome this idea of this kind of bank for them. Right now, they say their financial dealings involve duffel bags and backpacks full of cash.
We've opened several bank accounts in the past, and they've all been closed down within a few weeks.
Matthew Zyberg is with Hugs Alternative Care, a cannabis dispensary in Sacramento that, like others throughout the state, says it's been shut out of the banking industry.
They said your deposits smell like weed, so we can't bank with you anymore.
Zyberg says that's because the federal government classifies cannabis as an illegal drug. Most banks and savings and loans are insured by the federal government, so they're afraid to take part in any cannabis financial dealings. In a move to change that, California State Treasurer John Chung announced a study to explore the idea of a public bank that would serve the cannabis industry.
You have an industry that can't bank, doesn't have full access to tax administration. We're expecting, $1 billion plus of revenues.
Unlike other businesses that can access banks physically or online, cannabis businesses are forced to take some unusual measures.
Once a month, one of our managers is going to have to go down to the tax office, the state tax office, with a bag full of $7,500, $100,000 in cash and give it to the state to pay our state excise tax.
And those big money drops are creating a safety concern for everyone.
When you have loads of cash, there are people who want to engage in criminal activity.
Now, the treasurer expects this study to last well into the year, maybe finished by the end of this year.
Kelly Ryan live in Sacramento. Kelly, thanks for the update.